Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's. Today I'm at Claire's and I noticed they have a little Halloween section. And they have these Halloween squeezamals that are super cute. They have this pumpkin one. Then they have this black cat. And he has a little spider on his head. Super cute. Then they have Halloween earrings and chokers. Then they have this owl Halloween squeezamal. And I love the color. Then they have this spider or bat. I think it's a bat because of its teeth. And it's super cute. Then they have these like stickers you could put on your face for like a costume for Halloween. And they have these cute pumpkin earrings. So many cute earrings. I love that set. It has like candy corn, witch, spiders. There's a Halloween scrunchie with pumpkins on it. But on the other side, they have all of these costume ideas, face masks. They have headbands. It could be different animals like this cat. Super cute. So I just wanted to share and let you know what they had at Claire's in their little Halloween section. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.